Morning students, my name is SubhasisSarcar. Today I have come to you to share my knowledge. Basically, I have been sharing my knowledge for last 50 or more years and very successfully. And people who come to me, they often say that they have learned something. So I'm sure you will also learn something. My today's topic is English language. To begin with, functional grammar. You see, functional grammar is something which you do not read usually in grammar books. So let's go to the board and start. We'll start with functional grammar. What does it mean? Functional grammar means how the parts of speech are used. For example, let's see, to begin with, you know the names, noun or pronoun. Noun or pronoun. Both are same. Pronouns are used in place of nouns when the repetition is very odd to hear. They function in two ways. They are either subjects in a sentence or objects. Subjects are used before the verb to begin the sentence, and objects, there are two parts of speech which are always followed by noun or pronoun. One is transitive verb, and the other is preposition. These two are always followed by some noun or pronoun, and they are called objects of transitive verb or objects of preposition. Okay, so let us switch over to second parts of speech, that is how to define a noun or pronoun. A noun or pronoun is attributed some qualities or quantities. Those are known as adjectives. Adjectives. The word adjective, this is function, how, where it sits before a noun or after a be verb. After the be verb. Sometimes another kind of adjective is there that is known as participle adjective. Participle adjectives sit before a noun, after a be verb, or after a noun or pronoun. Clear? Another thing for adjectives, I must mention that some adjectives are always followed by a preposition. Some adjectives are followed by a preposition. We will call it appropriate preposition. Appropriate preposition. In that case, always remember, after the preposition, a noun or pronoun will come. For example, suppose adhere is an adjective, it is always followed by to. This to is that preposition and it is fixed, it is appropriate, you cannot change it. Clear? Then comes verb. There are two kinds of verbs.